Binance Coin could edge up 0.7% by June 28, according to Traders Union analysis. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. Based on the current data, Binance Coin has increased 0.6% since yesterday and trades near $566. Let's roll into today's forecast series. Based on Coin Data Flow's data, the price could slide to $564.53 by tomorrow, a drop of approximately 0.3%. Binance Coin is likely to head toward $567 per coin price forecast, with an expected increase of 0.1%. According to Gulf Capital Collector, it might push toward $568.88, a potential increase close to 0.5%. Another projection from Traders Union indicates Binance Coin may head toward $570.23, a gain estimated at 0.7%. And to wrap up, 30 rates points to $574 by tomorrow, a projected increase of 1.4%. That's the most profitable scenario overall. That wraps the 5 expert views. Let's go ahead. Having looked at the predictions, here's the next layer. Looking at the forecasts as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a decline of 0.3% and an increase of 1.4%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, 30 rates takes the lead with 1.4% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $1 and $14 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probability, coin price forecast stands out with a 83.6% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. The consensus scenario places Binance Coin near $568.93 with almost no shift. Okay, let's open it up. The consensus forecast shows a possible price increase of 0.5% by tomorrow. From that angle, your capital could also grow by the same 0.5%. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $5 in gain. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Binance Coin holding true is roughly 80.7%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. Coin Data Flow describes the near-term outlook as bullish. A positive outlook is likewise shared by Coin Price Forecast, pointing to more gains. Gulf Capital Collector suggests that the near-term picture is one of balance, with prices showing little variation. Likewise, Traders Union suggests that the price will stay confined to a narrow range. 30 rates highlights building pressure to the downside. The consensus forecast shows Binance Coin holding level without strong upward or downward moves. Summing up, 60% of analyst views suggest Binance Coin may drop during this horizon. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's outcome. In the end, the final outcome was $567.70. The majority of analysts' forecasts were accurate about the move. The tightest forecast was produced by Coin Codex. Now we'll lay everything out clearly. In yesterday's move, 3 forecasts landed inside the candle. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above zero, with the maximum gain at 3%. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. Also worth noting, Coin Codex had a forecast probability of 78%, accuracy and 1% ROI. Look closely. Who do you think was the most precise this time? Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between Binance Coin and a few alternatives. In tomorrow's ranking, Binance Coin stands at 4th, with AVE leading the pack at 3.9%. Here I've compared Binance Coin with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. Thanks for staying till the end. If it helped, a quick like is the best way to support the channel. See you when the next numbers come in.